Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. Yeah, collective. So, general reading the rest of February. Okay, so sa mga available na yung inyong mga zodiac signs. So, yes, na-read na natin yun. No? So, I think Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Yun ang mga na-read ko nung last week ata. Oo, and yung the rest na hindi pa nababasa, you can watch this. Okay, this reading kasi wala namang zodiac sign no na needed or required when it comes to listening sa collective reading. Okay, so by the way, gagamit tayo ng bagong tarot. Okay, so na-pre-shuffle ko na kanina pero shuffle ko pa rin after maya no. So let's see again before tayo mag-start. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para tayo laging updated no sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading yan sa ating mga charms and ba nating items, just message me sa kantong legit FB page na Fiestaro. Okay, so paano malalaman kung legit? Dapat po may blue check, blue mark doon po sa tabi ng Fiestaro. Okay, makikita nyo yan. Yes, pansinin nyo merong blue check, blue mark. Okay, so legit yon, ibig sabihin. Pero kung ikaw nanonood ka doon sa isang page, no, nakita mo walang checking, walang check, then that's not my legit page. Pwedeng kinuha lang niya, kung sino man yan, no, oo, naggumawa ng page na yan, itong ating video. Okay, so yes, by the way, sa mga bago, ito yung ating cord cutting necklace. So, siya yung nag-aalis ng blockage. Yung mga alat, yung mga MALAS, yan. Aalisin niya yan. Okay? And para makapasok ng maganda yung inyong mga blessings, makadaloy ng maganda, yung mga dapat dumaloy, o hindi nahaharang, o hindi na checkpoint, mga ganyang bagay, no? Sa inyo, papasok, no? And syempre, yung ating love and money bracelet. Yes. O, diba? Ito is, meron pong citrine stone. Ang citrine stone po ay isang money magnet. Okay? So, yes, pagdating sa kaperahan, matik, may increase tayo dyan. No? Plus lang yun. No? O, plus lang itong mga citrine na ito. Okay? Syempre, plus lang siya. Oo. And, kasi, syempre, kung anong meron dito, yun mismo. Oo, so meaning, kung meron tayong ilagay ditong citrine stone, plus na lang yon. Oo, para mas maging okay yung iyong kaperahan and connections. In general, okay? And, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Nothing to worry. And, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter naman, siya naman yung taga-grant. Okay? Ng inyong mga minamanifest, ng inyong mga wishes. So, yes, walang limit sa we-wish. Okay? And, maging responsable na lang tayong owner ng granter necklace. This is unisex po, by the way. No zodiac sign na requirement o para kumuha nito. No? So, everybody pwede. Okay? So, everyone is pwede. Wow! Oh. So, aside doon sa mga pwede nyang i-grant, okay, mostly about legalizations, mga ganyan, transfer of kinemerot, or mga ganyan, visa, travel, work, promotion, yan. Okay, madalas pinapagrant dito kay granter. And, aside doon, kung maganda ang frequency mo, meron palagi siyang ibibigay sa'yo at least twice per week na mga surprises, no? Aside doon, sa mga grant mo. 'Di ba? May plus pa, 'di ba? Napaka bait, 'di ba? Napakagalante, ng ating granter necklace. And syempre, yung ating mga evil eye protection, yan, mga protection po natin sa mga ibinabato sa ating hindi magaganda ng kahit sino. Yan. Yung ating necklace, ganyan. Yung ating ring adjustable. Okay. And yung ating cleansing kit. Yan, available yan. And yung atin pong charm spray. So, yung charm spray natin is 50 ml. And unisex po yung amoy niya, ha? Ang bango nito. Unisex siya. Don't you worry. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, good for love and money siya. Okay, so makaka-attract ka dyan ng yeah, everything, maganda. Okay, kasi ang goal natin is to attract kung ano yung gusto natin. Again, we don't chase kasi tayo yung i-chase. Okay, kapag may attraction, hindi nag-chase, di po ba? O, doon na lang, ha. So, sa pera, sa love life, ganun po. Pareho lang. We don't chase, please. We don't chase. So, every time mag-spray, sasabihin mo, chase me money, chase me, sabihin mo yung name ng person. I need your person's name kung malayo sa'yo yung person. Okay? Malayo. Oo. And, yung ating healing oil. Healing oil is 30 ml. So, ito yung nag-aalis ng mga masasakit sa katawan mo, sa mga hilo, yan, yung mga hirap ding matulog, yan, pwede sa'yo to. And, ang tawag dito, if ever, meron kayong mga alaga dyan na mutya, pwede rin po yan. No? Pang oil, pang langis-langis sa inyong mga alaga na mutya. Oo. So, let's see. Let's start the reading. So, again, gagamit tayo ng bagong tarot. Lahat to, I think, naka-ano pa naka-upright. Okay? So, wala pang naka-reversed. So, let's see. The rest of February for all signs, collectives. What's for you? What is for you? Pasensya na po, may umubo sa background. Okay. Commitment. Okay, commitment. Sorry sa glare. Okay. Yan. So, things are getting serious. What else? Move on. Ooh. So, someone is unavailable. A waste of time. It's over. Ooh. What else? What else? Communicate. So, compromise, forgive, work it out. Okay, ano nangyari sa aking skin? So, yeah. Let's see. Clarify natin using our tarot. Okay, what's with this commitment? Bago mag-end ang Feb, things are getting serious. Anong meron dyan? Okay, shuffle lang natin. One more. Isa pa. Okay. Things are getting serious. Commitment. The Nine of Wands. Oh. Yeah, okay. So, Six of Swords. So, something na parang binibuild. Okay, in general. Could be work, career mo, love life mo. There's something na pwedeng mangyayari na maganda. We have here the Six of Swords. Or sabihin natin magkakaroon ng mga plano. Okay? Magkakaroon ng parang leveling up. Again, kung okay sa'yo yung energy, share mo to manifest. Okay? Share mo para mag-manifest. So, something na parang iba sa inyo, meron ditong tago na connection. Hindi ko alam bakit tago, pero ang nakuha ko dito is may mga mangyayari na pag-step up. Okay? Pag-step up. That is nice. No? Kasi stepping up is, sabihin natin, isang way para magkaroon ng progress. Yeah. So, what's with this move on? So, yeah, someone is unavailable. A waste of time or it's over. Some of you have to hear that message, no? So, the Tower. Iba dito na nasa breakup, nasa energy ng separation. You have to heal. You have to move on. Okay? Yun nga, sabi dito, if ever you're waiting, kung ano man, nag-expect ka, it's just a waste of time. Kasi wala kang kasiguraduhan doon sa tao. Okay, madam, kaya nga po nagpapa-reading kami or nagtingin kami sa reading. Wala kang makikita na kasiguraduhan sa reading kung dito kayo nanonood. Okay, mas makakuha ka ng sabihin nating focus, no, na read kung ikaw is magpapa-private. Okay, yung ikaw mismo yung babasahan. Okay, so sana gets. Oh my gosh. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba tong tower? So, that's energy. That's an energy of separation. Yeah, the tower's burning down. Two of Cups. Yeah. Okay. So, yung iba dito medyo mahihirapan nga kasi nasa isang deep connection kayo. Yeah, deep connection. Yung iba dito is pwedeng kasal or pwedeng may mga anak or pwedeng sinabihan ng mga promises na yeah, parang isinulat sa hangin. Ha? So, kung ganyan nga lang yung mga pinangahawakan like walang kasiguraduhan, then you have to move on. Okay? You're just wasting your time kung ikaw itong nag-expect sa alam mong wala namang kailangan ipag-expect. Okay? Kanya-kanya yan. So, kung ikaw, sa tingin mo, may chance pa yan, well, mas maganda, ikaw is mag-heal pa rin. Okay? Hindi pwedeng hindi. Oo. Mas kawawa ka pag bumalik yan tas hindi ka healed. Okay? Ganun naman lagi And madalas pa, every time na you're healed or you're healing, tsaka yan bumabalik. Well, it's up to you. Nire-ready ka lang din ni universe sa leveling up. Kaya po ganyan yung iba. Okay? So, what's with this communicate? So, compromise, forgive, and work it out. So, ano meron dyan sa communicate na yan? The Four of Pentacles. Meron ditong nag-hold back. May chance po na makipag-communicate sa'yo. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pwedeng, may chance na makipag-communicate. If you're waiting sa isang communication, like meron ditong pag-send ng message na sin niya, pwede po na may chance na may mag-reach out. The Five of Swords. Yun nga lang nakuha ko dito is mas magbibigay sa'yo to ng isipin. Pwede kasing wala siyang dalang clarity, assurance. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. And hindi ko nakikitang magiging open talaga or transparent kung sino man yan. Okay? The intention is not clear. In general, hindi clear. So, makakapagbigay ng isipin sa'yo. Yes. Okay? So, I'm hearing conflicts. Yeah. Some of you have to forgive somebody. You have to forgive. Kasi kung hindi, again, sinasabi ko palagi, kung hindi ka magpo-forgive, ikaw din yung magsasuffer. Hindi ko alam kung paano mo yun ma-realize or maintindihan. Pero kapag naintindihan mo yun, very good ka. Okay? So there, hindi ko para ipaintindi sa'yo yun. Dapat maintindihan mo talaga yung sinabi ko na yun. Okay. So, tayo tumungo. So, kaunti lang, pahapyaw lang ng mga energies, no? Tayo tumungo sa love. Oh, hang on. Okay. So, let's see the person on your mind. The person on your mind. Okay. Who is this? Or tingnan muna natin, ano ba talaga yung situation nyo muna ng person. Situation nyo ng person. Anong situation nyo? The moon. Okay, so there's this energy of mirroring. Pwedeng absence. Mystery. Okay. The Moon. The Knight of Wands. Oh. They're playing with you. Some of you, you're dealing with a player. You're dealing with a player, a juggler, somebody who's not transparent. So, nagkakaroon ka ng confusion about them. The mixed signals, the hot and cold. Diba? Emotions na ibinibigay. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong to? The Four of Pentacles, they're hiding something. They are hiding something. The Five of Swords. Nakuha mo to kanina. Kita nyo naman, sinashuffle ko ng sinashuffle. Okay? Some of you, ito yung nakita natin. Magkatabi uli sila. Kita nyo ha, sinashuffle natin. Magkatabi uli ang Four of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. Meaning, kung anong meron sa taong to, magbibigay sa'yo ng, sabihin nating kaguluhan lalo. Yun ang hindi mo alam. Magbibigay sa'yo ng kaguluhan. They're not, open, no, sa seryosong mga bagay-bagay. They're just playing. Maybe playing the field. Okay? Itong taong to, hindi mahirap sa kanya ang mag-let go or mang-iwan. Okay? So, mahirap na. Oo, the Page of Wands is here. This person, sabihin nating mahilig talaga magbigay ng interest or kumuha ng interest. Ganyan. Attention. Okay? Mga attention. So, let's see who else. Who else? Naka-upright pa to lahat. Then, the next read, siguro natin siya shuffle. So, bago pa kasi siya. What else? Ano pang meron? Current situation. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, what's with that Wheel of Fortune? Death. Wow. Woo. Strong energies. Okay. Some of you, hindi kayo magkausap ngayon. We have here energy of endings. Okay. Or a pause. A break. Some of you, hindi nyo nakikita na yung separation na meron kayo is a blessing in disguise. Yes. Okay. The Six of Pentacles. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa connection nyo? Anong kailangan mong malaman? So, isa is pwedeng blessing in disguise kung kayo is magka-separate ngayon. Hindi kayo magkausap. Kasi we have here the Wheel of Fortune. Parang tinanggal talaga ni universe itong taong to for you to, what? Improve. For you to grow. Pero some of you are still looking at the negative side of the situation. Ba't ako ganun magsalita? Okay, so let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman aside doon sa sinabi ko? The King of Wands. Yeah. Si King of Wands, ayan yung person na kayang-kayang mag-manage or parang universe wants you to magkaroon ng like redirection. Magkaroon ka ng redirection. Okay? Ma-manage mo ulit kung anong mga kailangan mong ayusin, i-fix, maybe. Ten of Cups. Oh, okay. So, inihahanda ka ni universe. Ayun lang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Inihahanda ka ni universe. Next person na pwedeng dumating is somebody na may potential na makasama mo forever. Okay? So, sabi ko nga matindi tong connection na to, mahirap tong alisan. Sa totoo lang. Pero it's up to you kung paano mo i-manage yung sarili mo. Kung ikaw ba is ilulugmok mo na lang yung sarili mo dahil gustong gusto mo tong taong to kahit ganto ganyan, hindi okay, yun pa rin ang pinipili mo, or ikaw itong magle-let go para harapin, no, yung sabihin nating mas maganda pa. Saan ka? See, there's more. Seven of Cups. There's more. Pwede kasing nakafocus ka lang dito. Akala mo siya na, akala mo ganto, ganyan, pero it's not. Some of you, challenge ka lang ni universe. It's like, sinutil ka lang ni universe. Kasi nga, pwedeng nire-ready ka lang niya doon sa tao na talagang para sa'yo. The Ten of Cups. Ayaw mo ba niyan? Ayaw mo niyan? Kung ayaw mo niyan, okay, babalik ka dito sa energy na to. Ganun lang yun. Kung makikita ka ni universe na hindi ka ready to face this Ten of Cups, if you're not ready to grab the energy of Ten of Cups, then stuck ka sa death. Stuck ka sa past. Ganun lang. Paulit-ulit itong mangyayari. Actually, paulit-ulit. So, mahihirapan yung iba. The Magician. Some of you, you're manifesting good connection. Pero, wag nyong sayangin yung mga namamanifest nyo. Okay? Andyan lang po yan, nasa labas ng gate. Some of you may blockages, kaya po hindi nakakapasok. Yeah. Kailangan yung i-manage, matuto kang i-manage ulit yung kung ano man ang kailangan mong i-manage, ayusin. Sa'yo, sa sarili mo. Okay, so what else? Current situation ng collectives. Again po ha, kung ikaw hindi ka pa nakaka-follow or nakaka-subscribe, then hindi pa kita matatawag na collectives ko, hindi ka pa nasasali or hindi pa kita masasali dito sa connection, dito sa energy na to, sa mga readings natin. Okay, then, okay, now, ngayon, nag-subscribe ka, ngayon, nag-follow ka. Then, the next reading about collectives, tsaka kita may isasali. Okay? So, ganun lang. Yeah, that's how. Oo. It works. Oo, pagdating sa collective reading. So, what else? Current situation ng mga collectives. The Five of Wands. So, there's this drama. Fight. I'm hearing a fight. Oh, the Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong drama or problem pagdating sa pamimera or sa family. In general. Yung iba dito parang hindi pabor yung pamilya. Hindi okay sa family. Ganyang bagay. There's this maybe a lot of differences pagdating sa family or sa kanalakhan, sa religion maybe, no? Let's see. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? The Seven of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. You have here the Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Kasama si Empress. The Ace of Cups. May potential actually itong connection na to. Ang nakuha ko kasi pwedeng hindi sa inyong dalawa umiikot yung yung drama or conflict or kung anumang argumento yan, kundi nasa labas. Okay? Nasa third party natin na masasabi. Again, third party for me is hindi lang lagi yung another person na involved sa inyong dalawa. This could be the money, the vices, friends, family, work, okay, anything. Okay, na pwedeng nakakasira sa connection or nakaka-distract. Okay? So, I think meron tong patutunguhan, may potential pa rin itong connection na meron kayo. Okay? Basta kayo is hindi mawawala yung commitment sa isa't isa. Alam nyo how to manage. Again, be confident sa kung anong gusto nyong mangyari sa sitwasyon ninyo, sa connection ninyo. And, kung kayang lumaban, ilaban, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, kung talagang gusto nyo yung isa't isa, may potential to. Kailangan lang talaga ng mahabang pasensya. Hindi pwede yung, ano na kayang mangyayari? Ay, ang tagal-tagal naman. Ay naku, parang wala na sigurong, hindi na siguro ako magugustuhan or what. Ayoko na. Wala ka naman nagagawa or what. Hindi pwede. Yung ganun. Kung ganun kayo, then, that means goodbye. Okay, hindi yun ang nire-read ko. Pwedeng hindi kayo. Pero kung alam nyo sa sarili nyo is, committed kayo sa isa't isa, alam niyo how to manage, yung mga issue na meron kayo, na-face ninyo everything, then this is for you. May potential yung connection nyo. Okay? So, there. Yun lang. So, basta kayo magkasama. Iisang goal nyo. Then, may pag-asa. Okay? May potential. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs Aries through Pisces for you. Collectives. Okay. What's for our collectives the rest of February? Okay. Energy, emotions ng person na nasa isip mo. Okay. Aries, they're walking away, distancing. Taurus, they want communication, fast communication. Gemini, they want to see you. Okay, they're happy. Like, kapag nakikita ka na, kausap ka, masaya siya. So, Cancer, they're waiting. Leo, they want something, like changes. Virgo, they want to communicate. Okay, some of them, they want to take action. Okay, so Libra, they love you. They want you. Okay, Scorpio, still invested, still hoping. Okay, high hopes, parang ganyan. Na makikita ka, makakasama ka, makakausap ka, maririnig. Okay, so Sagittarius, they're overthinking, they're crying a lot, day and night. Okay, I think heavy yung energy pagdating kay Sag. Magician. Okay, so si Capricorn, some of you, they're manifesting a conversation, they're manifesting something good pagdating po sa situation. So Aquarius, they're holding back. Some of them, they're keeping their emotions up to themselves lang. Okay, so Pisces, I think si Pisces, they want something like changes. Kung meron mang energy ng separation dito, they want another chance. Still hoping na kayo is magkikita or magkakausap, if ever. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget, collectives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And sa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.